Wi-Fi not connecting issue on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to solve the Wi-Fi not connecting issue, first of all you want to make sure it is not your Wi-Fi issue itself. So try to contact your internet service provider, restart your router and make sure everything is good on their end. But if the issue is only persisting with one of your devices, which means in this case is the Android device, there are a couple of steps you can take. First of all, you can go ahead and then open up settings. Then simply try to look for software update on your device. You can go to about phone section and try to look for software update. If you have update available, make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, you can simply go to general management. After you go to general management, you can simply scroll down to the reset tab over here. Then all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on reset all settings. This will erase any sort of settings without erasing your device, so all of your data are currently safe. Last but not the least, only if it doesn't work, try to factory erase it, only if it doesn't work. And you can also try to restart your device if that actually helps you. So hope this video helps as to how you can solve the Wi-Fi disconnecting issue on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.